G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from your next car in officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2009 Toyota Prado Kakadu. Lucky to have this in stock. It's freshly traded, freshly detailed and freshly roadworthied. Great value for money too, being a Kakadu, and heaps of features, so I'll try and point them out as I walk away around the outside and through the inside of the car, just to give you a good overview of the vehicle you're looking at. Us here at your next car in officer is in great condition. So starting from the driver's door, now I do have the car running in the background just so you can hear the car running, give you confidence the car works. But as you'll see, it is purring in the background, so really great condition Prado, especially for this age and kilometres. It does present very, very well. Front bumper section, front guard, alloy wheel and tyre are in great condition. Coming to the front of the vehicle, it does have factory front sensors being the Kakadu, and so many other features. Hopefully I can spit them all out as I walk my way around the car, but if I do forget something, I do apologise. We don't get a lot of Prados, so we're excited to have this one. So all the way around the front end, really clean condition. Does have a Prado genuine plastic bonnet protector as well. I'll get that word out. Your bonnet protector, your bonnet is in great condition as well. Geez, I'm doing well today. So really clean throughout on that bonnet section and front guard area. Really clean around the front section of the vehicle. Over to your passenger front guard, again, really clean condition. Again, you wouldn't think it's an 09 model Prado, but it is really clean for its age. Alloy wheel and tyre in great condition. Down to your passenger side step, again, presents really, really well. Up to your mirror sculpt, really clean condition, and then your front passenger front door, again, presents really, really well. My reflection in the background, hello, but beautiful condition otherwise. And it does have the rear privacy glass as well, being the Kakadu edition, so rear privacy glass in the back windows also as well. Coming back to your back door on your passenger side, really clean throughout. No damage again, great condition. And coming back to your rear tyre and alloy wheel again, condition of that paintwork is phenomenal. To your rear guard section on your driver's side, really clean again, rear bumper bar and rear quarter panel. Again, no damage whatsoever there, really clean throughout. And then we'll come to the back end of the vehicle. Rear dust deflector, really clean. Hardware cover again in great condition also. And vehicle does come down again with reverse sensors, and also your tow bar has been fitted as well. In the back section of the Prado, this is where it's fun with the Kakadu. It is a 7-seat variant, really handy with your seats. They are electronic, so you see the seats are currently up as we speak, but the button either side, so if you want your left seat to go down or up, either or either, just one press. As you'll see, they will go down, so that's your left-hand side seat, just so they are operational. And then same with the right-hand side seat. Really handy, simple to use. I'm tipping the kids will have fun doing that up. So back to a 5-seat, and then if you want the seats back up again, same button. You'll have to hold it down manually. I'm tipping the later series will be one press, open and shut, but the earlier series you have to hold your button down. So I'll lift that seat back up again, just so you see they're both operational. Really handy for the kids as well, and factory leather, which makes it even better to clean up. Again, your 12-volt plug, auxiliary plugs in the rear as photoed on the website as well. But as you see, really clean condition. I'll shut that tailgate and we'll continue the video moving around. Back to your driver's side, really clean throughout. Rear bumper section, rear quarter panel, very, very clean. No damage on there whatsoever. Again, your rear tyre on the driver's side, rear alloy wheel in great condition. And then coming back to your rear door on that driver's side, just to continue with the exterior paint condition. Really clean throughout. Sorry about my horrible legs in the reflection. Da-da-da-da. And then we'll open the back door just to show you through the interior as well. So again, driver's door card, really clean throughout. Does have the carpet floor mats and factory leather interior. Behind your seats are in great condition. Driver and passenger. Again, all the photos are on the website of what I'm taking you through today, but just gives you a bit more of a description of the car if you do live a fair way away from us. Really clean throughout. Your rear air conditioning and heating, just in that lower section as well. Over to your passenger side door card. Again, presents great. And then back with the interior, just for that leather interior, which is a perforated style leather interior as well, being the Kakadu. And then if I move that seat forward again, just to show you through this leather interior, Again, beautiful condition. Those headrests will fold up because we've had the seats down or up. You can fold them up or fold them down, but very uncomfortable if those headrests aren't up if the kids are in the back, but they do flip up and flip down as well. We'll shut that seat back down here again. Center compartment again has photos, your drink holders in the center. So really that family style vehicle, the Kakadu, they really did think it through very, very well. We'll take you through the interior of the driver's side as well, and I'll take you through the interior also. So driver's door cut again. You do have your memory seating and your electric mirrors, power windows are to the right hand side, but really handy with the memory seating. All your functionality, so push button start, electric mirrors and such. And then coming back to your interior again, really clean throughout. Nice little interior, electric seats as well, being the Kakadu. So really clean condition. And then over to that passenger seat as well. And also factory sunroof, as you'll see photoed on the website, does have a factory sunroof also as well. So your interior and your door card present really well. I'll jump inside the car just to show you through some of the features interior wise. Beautiful sunroof, operational, so we'll pull that blind back. Sunroof, if I get the right button, I don't know if that's the right one I wear. So we'll say that's operational. Really good for those nicer days. It's overly not too warm today, so we'll close that down because it might rain in a minute. But as you see, all operational, which is your sunroof, and then your blind will close back throughout. Vehicle does have the factory satellite navigation, which is shown as we speak. So factory satellite navigation, factory reverse camera as well. You do have your Bluetooth functionality, so you do have your home button, which I think I'll find a setup. Trying to find the right button. Navigation, display, your factory map, audio. So really easy system to use. Down here is your dual climate control, really handy for his and hers heating, so no arguments. CD player, all your four-wheel drive capabilities, and then back to your automatic transmission, and then your heated seats also just in the central button as well. Back to your steering wheel, just your volume controls. On the left hand side to your right hand side is your cruise control and Bluetooth functionality as well. And current kilometres as we see is 303,209. So great value for money being the Prado Kakadu. Really clean condition for the age and case, so I don't think it'll last too long. We don't get a lot of these Prados, as I said earlier in the video. So if you have any questions moving forward in relation to this vehicle or anything else we have here at Your Next Car and Officer, please don't hesitate to give us a call at the dealership. Speak to either Andrew or Glenn. We'll both be here to look after you when you make your inquiry. But again, hopefully we've found the right Prado for you. Have a great day.